The Ariane 5 rocket will be back in business on Monday the 12th of July with another launch from Kourou in French Guiana. Since the more powerful version of Ariane 5 with a performance of 10 tons in GTO failed in December 2002, there have already been 3 launches of Europe's heavy launcher. They were all entirely successful, 2 of them carrying ESA payloads. The upcoming mission, therefore, is a good opportunity to take a look at the near future of Ariane 5 launches.
This comes in a difficult period, in a crucial time for both ESA and arianespace. Arianespace is the company that has been entrusted by ESA to be the commercial operator of Ariane 5. There is a convention between ESA and Arianespace. Now, the situation of the market is quite difficult, not just because of the technical difficulties of Ariane, but mainly because of the downturn of the market and the more intense competition on the prices due to the many launchers available on the market.
During the internet hype in the late 1990s, many new telecommunications satellites were ordered and placed into orbit within 2 to 4 years. But today, the market is suffering from overcapacity due to a fall in demand from the financially stricken telecom firms that form the bulk of the customer base. Although Ariane is still holding its position as a market leader, with more than 50% of the commercial launch service business, the recent launch service market evolution has had a negative impact on the financial situation of Arianespace. In order to return to profitability, taking into account the recent market evolution, Arianespace therefore has to increase the launcher performance, which is essential to ensure a dual launch capability in GTO, the Ariane 5 core business, and at the same time reduce the cost of production. The performance increase up to 10 tons in GTO will be ensured with the new Ariane 5 ECA, which unfortunately failed its first launch in 2002.
We have what we call the workhorse, the Ariane 5 ECA, the version with the Vulcain 2 as a first stage and the cryogenic upper stage. This version is coming back to flight by the end of the year. And this workhorse for the coming years will allow Arianespace to make all double launches, whatever is the satellites to be launched, and this will increase the flexibility for Arianespace to serve the market, and therefore the competitiveness using this double launch philosophy that is the way of working, really, of Ariane.
ESA and its industrial partners are now proceeding step by step to demonstrate and consolidate the qualification of the new launcher version. Major improvements like the new Vulcain 2 main engine and the cryogenic upper stage are not being introduced with payloads from commercial customers, but will use dummy payloads or satellites of scientific institutes or student initiatives who cannot afford a commercial launch. By mid-2005, the new, more powerful and less costly Ariane 5 ECA version will be available for the commercial customers.
For the future, of course, with this in place, we hope that the market will respond in a positive manner. But of course, Ariane 5 is not just for the market. It is an essential tool for Europe to maintain its independent access to space. We have major missions that are coming in this field of institutional missions, and that are the evidence of how ESA and Europe can play its role at international level, also offering launch service.
It's worth mentioning that Ariane 5 will be used, for example, to carry freight to the International Space Station, ISS, with the Automated Transfer Vehicle, ATV, the first launch of which is scheduled in 2005. In 2011, then, a space telescope with a foldable mirror of 6 to 7 meters, the successor of the Hubble Space Telescope, will be launched from French Guiana on Ariane 5. This joint ESA-NASA-Canada landmark project would not have been possible for ESA and its partners if Europe didn't have one of the world's most advanced launch vehicles to offer.